Hi, I'm Jonathan with Cokesbury VBS. Today I'm going to demonstrate science experiments from the Knights of North Castle Science Leader Guide. This is Session 4, Experiment 2, Soap Boats. For this experiment, you'll need water, an aluminum roasting pan. You'll need cardboard boats cut out from poster board, milk carton material, anything with a glossy side. You'll want to cut them out according to the template that's available in the Science Leader Guide because the notch at the bottom is important. Liquid dish soap and toothpicks. Pour your water into the roasting pan. Then take your boats, one or two at a time, and place them glossy side down on the surface of the water. Next, take a toothpick and dip the toothpick into the liquid dish soap. Take the liquid dish soap and place it in the notch on the boat and watch the boat propel forward. First, pour your water into the pan. Next, take one of your boats and place it glossy side down on the surface of the water. Next, dip your toothpick in the liquid dish soap and place it in the notch of the boat to watch it propel forward. If it doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just try again. Be sure to practice, and for more information, refer to the Science Leader Guide.